Hello everyone, it is Davita from Medium of the Light Tarot. Today I want to do an unboxing of this beautiful deck, the Affirmations Tarot. And on the back I thought it was really cute. I know on the side it says, some reflection required, epiphanies not included. So there's some good humor on here, like warning, may not result in profound personal revelations. So I thought it was pretty cute. And then magical guidance for your spirit therapist, or from your spirit therapist. It says, wiser than friends, cheaper than therapy. I got this at Barnes & Noble. I was having a hankering and I was like, I need to get something today. I have a card coming from Amazon, but I couldn't wait. So this is the guidebook. It's very cute. And it's from Susie Barrett, an actor, writer, and practicing wizard who lives in Los Angeles. So it's got, you know, the basics. Mostly, I don't like going through the book. Just, you know, especially during unboxings, I'm like, if you want to get it, you can figure it out. But it's beautiful. I love the paper. I love it. And the box is really nice and sturdy. And the colors are gorgeous, and it's got the little ribbon that you pull it out. I don't know if my camera is picking up the awesome colors, but it's very beautiful purple. And this is Affirmations Tarot. And this one's starting with the Ace of Cups. I love it. The Two of Cups. The Three of Cups. Oh, that's so cute. The little bugs. Four of Cups. The Five of Cups. The Six of Cups. And the paper is I like that it's not glossy and it's pretty sturdy, but flexible. So the Six of Cups. I love the imagery. When I saw this one, I was like, yes. So excited. The Nine of Cups. And I'm kind of surprised that this one hasn't had more hype. Maybe because I'm all about colorful stuff right now, especially after that Egyptian Tarot. And you can see I'll upload that video as well. This one, the Page of Cups. The Knight of Cups. The Queen of Cups. This one has a very nice, happy energy, of course. You know, the colors are always helpful. And then going into the Pentacles. The Two of Pentacles. A fox lifting some pentacles. Work it, baby. Three of Pentacles. This is a really cute deck. It says high five, high 10. Four of Pentacles. Five of Pentacles. The poor koala has no cash. Damn it. He's a broke koala. And then the armadillo is like, yeah, we're going to throw money around, people. Catch it. Seven of Pentacles. This is such a darling card. I'm so glad, our deck, I'm so glad I got it. It's got a lot of humor in it. The Eight of Pentacles. The Nine of Pentacles. The 10. Work it, raccoon. It's like he's working out. I don't know, he's on the dance floor doing the John Travolta. And the Page of Pentacles. The to-do list. The Knight of Pentacles. The 10 of Wands. Oh, this deck was so worth it. It was like $22, I think. And I think on Amazon it wasn't that much cheaper, so I was like, I'm just gonna get it now. The Eight of Wands, a unicorn, yeah. Who doesn't need a unicorn in your deck? The Seven of Wands. The Six of Wands. The Five of Wands. Those bugs do not look like happy campers because they're fighting. The Four of Wands. Oh, these are so cute. The Three of Wands. The Two. And the Ace. And then here's the King of Swords. The Queen of Swords. The Business Lady, Fox. The Pegasus, the Knight of Swords. The Page of Swords. It's like a storybook for kids. I love it. Ten of Swords. It appeals to the child within me. The Nine of Swords. The Eight. The Seven. Hopefully I'm not going too fast. The Six. The Five. The Four. The Three. That's a cutie one. Two of Swords. And the Smarty Pants, Ace of Swords. King of Pentacles. The Queen of Pentacles. The Page. The Knight. Wow. The Queen of Wands, that's a nice one. King of Wands. The Fool card. The Magician. Was it the High Priestess? The Empress in all her glory. The Emperor. The Hierophant. The Lovers. How adorable. I don't know if you can really see the pink. It's gorgeous. The Chariot. This is a great deck for me. Strength. But since there wasn't that many YouTube videos about it, I was like, well, I'm going to do one. So if you're thinking about it, I think it's definitely worth it. The Hermit. Crab. The Wheel of Fortune. The Justice card. The Hanged Man. Ooh, I like that Death card. Temperance. The Devil card. Excuse me. The Tower. The Star card. That's a pretty one. The Moon. The Sun. Judgment. And the World. I really like this deck, and the book is nice. Like I said, I didn't really look at it too much because you saw me not look at it too much. But the colors are beautiful. This feels like it's recycled paper. This is very sturdy. So the retail price on this is, they had put a sticker on it, because I guess it's not showing it, but it shows that it was made last year, 2019, and it's knockknockstuff.com, and it's the Affirmations Tarot for magical guidance from the universe to help you help yourself without self-helpiness. So they're trying to have some humor here. Well, here it is, you guys. I hope you like it, and I know I'm going to enjoy it. So once again, thanks for joining me. Davida from Medium of the Light Tarot.